Well, I wanted to share this with you today. A package that arrived from a sponsor, a farrier supply company that are thinking of sponsoring me and my work. And they're called Farrier Specialty Products, and they're based in Freeland, MD, USA. So this package has come, and I think I know what's in here. It's going to be these special glue-on shoes with like a cuff, and hopefully with some glue as well, because I wanted to have a look at these shoes and I wanted to try them on my own horse. So I'm going to unbox this now and we can enjoy it together. So these guys, Barry. So this company, Don Miller is the director. I think he's the owner of the company, and he has a guy, Barry, that works with him. They contacted me a little while ago about sponsoring my work. They love what I do and that they wanted to support me, which is brilliant. They wanted to show me what they did as well. So we had a Zoom call. Oh, lovely. Do you know the thing I like more than anything is the wrapping paper, because I will unwrap that and I'll iron that and I'll read that. How cool, how lovely. Anyway, that's an aside. I was looking at that first, so let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, elite cuff shoes. So let's see how many we have here. Lovely. So we've got 1.5 M+, I suppose that's medium plus. So I'm not 100% sure what this all means, but I think it's going to be an exciting opportunity for me to see what these things are made of, what they come like. So let's put this to one side. And what else is there? Lovely. So this must be the shoe. Right, okay. So this is what it looks like. And I believe it's an aluminium shoe at the bottom, and then there's this green softish softish material, anti-concussive properties, and then there's this cuff which you then use that to sit to the horse's wall. So quite an interesting concept. And this one looks like might have a bit of a wedge to it. What else have we got in here? There's another one. Lovely. All right, so I need to have a good look at all of these and have a play with them. I'm actually quite interested in the concept. I like the idea of the aluminium being light, and I really like the idea of this anti-concussive material. Paper. The acrylic. So just move this out of the way. Let's have a better look at what we've got in these boxes.